On this Make It Once video, lights, camera, and, well, that's about it. Quick update today on the Volvos. If you notice, Marty's wearing a party hat. The city has a spring cleanup. People throw things all over the place, so I always like to grab stuff every day. I'll have another video about other cool stuff I've found. But I'm gonna hop in, show you a couple things. So one of the things behind the scenes that's happened is I got invoiced for my trip across those bridges. So what they've been doing is you just drive through, they take a picture of your license plate, and then they send you the invoice. So that parts run had a little bit more expense. Across the Golden Gate Bridge, it cost me $8.70. Across the Richmond San Rafael Bridge, cost me $6. So I'll add that to the total. Got my service manual in the mail, which is awesome. Some more important stuff that's been happening is I found somebody to come out, a police officer to come out and do a VIN verification. It's one of the things you need to do for the DMV. It's just to make sure that all the VIN numbers match so that the vehicle is the one you're registering. Kind of a bit of sad development, but not a big deal. I had bought these really cool old black plates, and this is YKS702. The picture of my dad's old Volvo was YKS300, so it would have been super awesome if I was able to register a plate that was so similar. It would have been off by 2 digits. But turns out the plates were not released in the DMV, so I can't re-register them. The person had mislabeled them. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. I don't think they were lying. I think they just didn't know they had to do that. So I'm not going to be able to register these in California, but I'm going to return them and get my money back. So I just went ahead and registered the regular white plates. And at some point, if I find more black plates or I want to do the newer ones with the custom letters and stuff, I can do that. But for right now, I just wanted the car registered. Some of the things I've been kind of finding with the car that are cool. When you find an old car like this, finding little odds and ends are really cool. So this is original from the 60s Lawrence Volvo. I don't think it exists anymore, but I'm gonna put that on the car. Under one of the carpets, I found this old baseball card. This is from the 90s, so this must have happened just about when the car got put into storage. And then Greg, the guy I got this from, had been kind of collecting the old books. I have a complete set of books to work on the car, service books. And then you discover all sorts of funny things. Like, what is this? Like, this is a lap belt, and they put it on with zip ties. Total joke. So anyway, so I'm going to have to find a second clip on that. Already working on it. Don't want to leave you with nothing, so I'm going to plug the battery in and see if the horn works. I'm not going to start it because I know it does start, but I need to change fluids before I do anything drastic. So let me just connect the battery. Hopefully that holds. Okay. I'm gonna jump in from the passenger side. Oh. Lights are on. That's no good. Ooh. So the horn doesn't work. Some of the relays work. Anyway, lots of stuff to do, but at least that sort of works.